Hello everyone, welcome to Imagination, welcome to JD Institute of Fashion Technology, welcome to JD Design Awards. JD Design Awards is a platform which is given challenges to all the youth designers of the country to compete with all the possible centers of India. Designers in Hyderabad has done a fabulous job, and this year's theme was future fiction which becomes a reality. And I'm witnessing that, and it is amazing to see the youth of Hyderabad has showcased an amazing design collection. Totally, there are 21 sequences and approximately 30 plus two designers who have worked together and worked very hard towards this show. So basically, the challenge is given for the future. So future, when you say, it is not seasonal, not any particular season, but it is about the future, that how it can be used for a mankind. So when you say unique, we train our designers to be one step ahead of the other people, and the challenges are given in such a way that they need to create something which is not existing in the industry or in the market. And this is the challenge what they do, and they try and do whatever possible, whatever the imagination they can think of. And that is what we like about the RE. We've been doing this graduation show for last 36 years, and we will definitely continue doing that. 30 plus designers have participated. I would say it is tremendous because the youth of Hyderabad is also seeking for new creative avenues, and they also seeing that design as an industry is also growing. And I'm sure because of the Tollywood and the films fraternity over here, I mean, they have so many movies, and they definitely need costume designers as well. So it's a part of the journey.
మీరందరూ వచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇవాళ మన జేడీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాషన్ టెక్నాలజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ జేడీ డిజైన్ అవార్డ్స్ 2024లో పాల్గొంటున్నారు ఇవాళ. ఇది బేసిక్గా థీమ్ ప్రకారంగా జరుగుతుంది ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్. ఈ ఇయర్ థీమ్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఫిక్షన్. ఫ్యూచర్ ఫిక్షన్ అంటే ఇవాళ ఏ డిజైన్స్ అయితే చేస్తున్నారో అది ఫ్యూచర్కి పనికొచ్చే విధంగా డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఏదో కొత్తదనం, ఆ కొత్తదనం డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నారు మన పిల్లలు. 21 సీక్వెన్స్లు ఉన్నాయి. 30 కంటే ఎక్కువ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇవన్నీ డిజైన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు. అవి ఇవాళ మనం ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. నా పేరు వెంకటేష్ పూసర్ల.